Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C53 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways, via the secret code and by using the settings. I'll show you both and let's start with a code which is quite short and quite easy to remember. It is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way. We have to open the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to enter, and it's quite tricky, the status. As you can see, it is at the bottom of the list, and as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.